In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Klaviyo. If you need to completely remove someone from your database, maybe the profile is a duplicate or you received a data deletion request, Klaviyo makes it straightforward. Just remember, deleting a profile is permanent and cannot be undone, so take a moment to confirm you've selected the right person before you proceed. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, open Audience, then choose Profiles. This is the home base for every contact in your account. If your navigation menu is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the Audience section clearly. At the top of the Profiles page, use the search bar to find the contact you want to delete. Searching by email address is the most precise method, but you can also type a name. When the results appear, click directly into the correct profile to open it. Before moving on, quickly verify details like the email to make sure you're working with the exact contact you intend to remove. Inside the profile, look toward the upper area of the page for the More Actions menu. Depending on your view, this may appear as text that says More Actions or as a simple three-dot icon. Click that menu to reveal the available options for this contact. From the menu, select Delete Profile. Klaviyo will immediately display a confirmation pop-up to prevent accidental removals. This message is your final checkpoint. Read it carefully so you understand that this action permanently deletes the profile and its associated activity from your account. If you're certain, click Delete to confirm. The profile will be removed right away. Any segments or lists that included this contact will update automatically, and the person will no longer receive any communications from your account. A quick tip before we wrap up. If your goal is only to stop sending emails or texts to a contact while keeping their historical data for reporting, consider suppressing the contact instead of deleting. Suppression preserves analytics while ensuring the person won't be messaged. That's it. You've successfully removed a contact in Klaviyo. Feel free to repeat these steps for any additional profiles, taking the same care to confirm each one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.